How to log into Bumble app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app. Launch the app on your phone. After you're in the app, you will see this kind of app interface. In order to log into your Bumble account, you must have already created your account before. If you haven't, you can tap on this Create an Account button and create a new Bumble account. After creating your account, you can easily log into it. In order to log in, tap on this I have an account button. From here, you will need to provide the same login credential that you used to create your account before. If you have created your account using the Google account, you can tap on this Continue with Google option. If you created your account with your Facebook account, you can tap on this Continue with Facebook button. Or if you have created your account using the mobile number, tap on this last option which says Use Mobile Number. I created my account with the Google, so I'll tap on this Continue with Google option. It'll let me select the Google ID that I've used before, so you can tap on it. And there you go, you are now easily logged into your Bumble account. You can now start using this app. So that's how you can easily log into Bumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.